Oh, now. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know. I was like talking, and actually, I didn't even start it. That's so stupid. This is my first time, guys. Please understand. I'm sorry for you guys waiting. How many people? Oh, only 2. That's even funny. Let's see how many. Two people now. Please share. Please share. Please share for me now. Now people know I started already. Is everything okay, Michael, if you're there? Oh, so should dance to number. Oh, that's another question. All right, let me try to answer one by one. Oh, thank you, Michael. Thank you. Thanks for you ask this question, though. This is a very good question, and I will try my best to answer this question. And the question from Michael is, are there any affected cases in concentration camp? You know, this is a question we want to know too, as the Uyghurs, as the people who escaped from China. We want to know this too, because from 2017, we don't get that much of information what's going on in the camp. But we know there's 3 million, at least 3 million Uyghurs are missing. And we know they were in the concentration camp. But now, honestly, I wish they're okay or they're safe. Maybe they lost their organ, or maybe they are, because we saw a lot of video after people come out from the concentration camps, they become extremely skinny, someone already dead directly even after they come out from concentration camp. And based on the people who escaped from the concentration camp and run away to Kazakhstan or Turkey, what they said is they forced to take into different pills, different medical things for just drink water. That's scary, you know. They are forced to accepting different medication. What we worry about it, this coronavirus actually is tested from Uyghurs. Then they releasing, or they doing some, or the coronavirus released accidentally. You know, but we definitely believe they tested all those things in concentration camps, so we don't know. After that, it is hard to get any information. People from concentration camp, not too many people got released. That's the first. Second, and we really don't know their life matter. They are safe or not. That's what made us concerned so much. That's made us worry so much every day. And now it's even worse. You know, the situation in concentration camp, like you may saw already on internet, it's so, and if you listen to those people's description about the inside of concentration camp, it's so scary. And in this type of time, specific time, emergent time in China, Chinese people, Chinese Communist Party do not care at all. Now in this type of time, they definitely don't care as well. So our life matter is under very serious situation right now. I don't know my answer is good enough for you or not, but that's from my personal opinion, okay? And I am the person like do the research about what's going on for my people, for Uyghurs in concentration camp, but I really don't know that much of. I didn't get that much of information. That's make me scary, worry every day. I wish. How many people? Oh, still 3. Only 3 people watching. That's good, but I don't care. I just want to test it for now. What that means? Online. I wish my answer is clear enough. And let me tell you guys, my English is not that good. This is my 3rd language. I try to make it my fluently, speak fluently. That's why I'm opening this channel. If you don't have, if you have any question, or if you misunderstand what I'm talking, or if you didn't clear what I'm saying, you can leave a comment and I will make it easy. And the article you saw from Uyghurman is not from me. I want to make it clear for you guys. Idea is from me based on my group, my people. But the people who type and write those articles from Uyghurman, I can show you guys here. It's not from me, it's from the others justice believers. They just posted on my Uyghurman blog. Alright, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Hold on. Oops. Sorry if something not smooth, you know, it's my first time. It is really cool. I'm talking to people directly. This is what I'm talking about, guys. These articles right here, blogs, all those blogs. If you go Uyghurman.net and you will see all those articles about recent. It is from different justice believers. Yeah, we work as a group. We try to grow up our group, our organization. One day, you Uyghurs technically really free, become really free. That's what is our goal is. Living with a life, all your you cannot see all your relatives anymore. You don't know your parents is okay, or you don't know you can see your parents or not in the future. That type of life, it's so hard. I'll just tell you guys, it's so hard. And you need to, and it's kind of like totally change your life because of what you concern full time. You know, if you are normal Uyghurs, you cannot, just don't think about what's going on in our land, because it is super scary what's going on. I've witnessed it. I escaped at 2017. That time China already started to arrest people, started big scale to arrest people. But the time I went back to China, 2017, it was summer, with my summer vacation from the school, from my master program. When I went back, and then I saw all those. Now I'm escaped. I'm talking right now. Yeah. But the choice is on you. You want to believe the man who escaped from East Turkestan, and you want to listen what's going on, what happens there from the person like me, or you want to listen or Chinese state-controlled media, or from the CCP. It's all up to you. So I will just talk what I see, what I feel. I'm not a person who tried to judge someone or some government like that. I just want to see how many justice believers who can really feel what I'm talking about. I just want to know that, you know. That's the purpose of Uyghurman. That's the purpose of this Uyghur live stream, Uyghurman live stream. Well, let's see a lot of comment right there. Let's check it out. Woo! Oh, 7 people. Not bad, actually. Oh, so talk about a little about the coronavirus something. Do you believe this is bioweapon created US or China? I would do it. Man, this is not from this. Let me answer the Michael's question. Called he's asking about this coronavirus outbreak, and he asking, is this like bioweapon from US or from China? All right, this is definitely bio. For my understanding, okay, I want to clarify that first. For my understanding, this is definitely bio-generated weapon. And for the question of, are they released on the purposely, or they were doing research and then mystically, or some local government like made a mistake to release this coronavirus? I'm not sure. I just talk what I know and what I believe. But from my understanding of Chinese Communist Party, they can do this type of shit. I'm sorry, I shouldn't swear, but they do the thing the worst. Me and your imagination not good, like bad enough to understand what they plan, to be honest. So I wish they're not that bad, and this is a virus, they're doing research for something else and then mistakenly released. But I'm for sure this is a bio-generated bioweapon, lab-generated bioweapon from Wuhan P4 lab. If you, I follow those Chinese activists like YouTube channel as well. What they're talking every day is like this is a weapon from the Chinese communists, definitely. But there's all those conspiracy about Chinese deeds. Oh, like US might be from US. I saw one article. It's also mentioned. Oh, this is probably from the US, but I dig that out. Eventually, I found that website is from Chinese supported state media website. So all those who believe like this probably US, then that's your opinion. I can't control, but for me, this is from Wuhan lab, Wuhan P4 lab, and then I wish it is the virus leaked mystically, not on purposely to kill certain amount of people or target some people in the jail, in the camp. That's what I worry. I worry about this coronavirus. They want to do something with coronavirus because the trade deal they made with America is impossible, made them to do it. They kind of really get crazy and then did something worse. That's what I'm worried about. But I wish that's not true. Okay? Okay, here's Uyghur people in East Turkestan. I think it's created in Canada. Oh, Canada stolen by China, spread. Yes, there's the news like I think it's last year, right? Or last year, 2019, one lady who got arrested in Canada because of she stole some bioweapon from Canada lab, research lab, tried and delivered to Wuhan. When she arrested, I believe she already sent it out to China. You know, me and yours knowledge and about it's not good enough to understand Chinese 36 strategy. Let me tell you that way. They have great culture, like that's why maybe too complicated and I don't understand it. I don't want to judge someone else or some group of people, but I definitely have a right to talk something about Chinese Communist Party. Because I'm the person lost everything you can lost. Before I get married, I'm just single person in America after graduate and I have nowhere to go because of they started arresting Uyghurs. Anyone studied abroad, anyone has a little bit knowledge, anyone can speak 2 or 3 languages. All scholars, governors even get arrested. That's why I didn't go back, and I suffered a lot in America. Eventually I made my own family here and everything is so great, alhamdulillah. But I have to and I should to talk about the Chinese Communist Party. I'm here never ever to say something to Chinese people, okay? Hong Kong people shocked me first time I see, oh, Chinese people wake me up from some bad thought about Chinese people. They really wake me up. Then I understand, okay, this is the problem of the system. Chinese Communist Party is a party leading 1.4 billion people. Their mind force them to quit all different religion, which all taught you what is nice, what is love, what is sharing, what is giving. And what is Chinese Communist Party is just how you... I don't want to talk too much about it. Let's answer the question again. Are you... Yeah, agree with you. Thanks for agree with me, man. After watching bunch of videos showing how Chinese policy treating people being harsh, I started to believe CCP can do it and create this. Yeah, of course. And I'm the person studied in Chinese university. I know I have more Chinese friends than Uyghurs friends. I grew up with Chinese people, their culture, their language, their everything together with those people, because the city I live called Harmai, there's a lot of Chinese people come from mainland China every year, and there's a lot of Chinese people. They're nice. I have friends with them. We never have a problem, but when the time Chinese Communist Party like started treating us last 2017, when I went back to East Turkestan, and then I had some dinner with those classmates, my high school classmates, and I wish those people, they are Chinese, but they didn't say anything, oh, we feel sorry for you or for Uyghur people like that. Maybe they're scared about it or not. Then I kind of think, okay, if you all don't feel guilty about what the government doing, then I need to start talking on the camera like that. You know, those Communist Party really leading people to the direction not supposed to. Everything like government, as a government, each government should lead a group of people or their citizen more united, more nice, more love each other more, right? But China knows it. They wish the people fight every 30 days or every 10 days, 30 years or every 10 years, you know? That's Chinese history basically is. The government fires them up, like they fight each other, like what you saw, what you're saying, all these people right now, what's going on in China because of coronavirus. That's what the Chinese Communist Party is. And I am, as a person who escaped from China successfully, I really want to like talk something and do something. I don't want like make the God disappointed on me or say, oh, I let you come out from those disaster. I saved you, and why you don't even speak something about me? I don't want to hear that in the future. You know, that's why I have to talk. I don't scare Chinese Communist Party. I have nothing to lose. That's why maybe sometimes I will talk a little harsh, but I will try not to. So hold on a second. What? My wife just talking something I didn't understand. I don't want to interrupt this. Okay. Leading people to the help. CCP is leading people to the help. Definitely, that's what I agree. I want to all people freedom, like Chinese, Uyghurs, everyone got their freedom. Live like a human. What's wrong with that, right? So that's why I try to talk as much as I can. Otherwise, I am watching every day from my. I can just share my Facebook looks, guys. So much sadness. I cannot just keep it everything inside of me. It's started to affect my health, like my mental health, everything. I don't want to bring all those like sadness or like pissed off mood to my family or to my co-workers. You know, I want to talk here and feel free. You know. Yeah, this is my. Oh, hold on a second. Yeah, this is my Facebook page. Looks like. Okay, forget about it. Let's start from the beginning. Yeah, China new Hong Kong chef. Okay, this is about Hong Kong. You will see a lot about. Yeah, another thing I want to talk is about. It is really serious issue Not just people in East Turkestan concentration camp. Even people outside of concentration camp is suffering because they don't have enough food to eat, enough food to consume. That's a problem. I will show you guys one video. You may already saw it, but it's really very sad. The guy like coming out and he's screaming. He's tried to kill himself because he cannot feed his family. They just starving. This is about Jim, guys. I'm sorry. That's some people just posted their sexy picture because of that. I think I need to hide it for now and I'll show you guys after I found it, right? Otherwise, it's so awkward. Like, all right, yeah. But let's just back to what the video I share. Okay, here's a lot of people talking. I like it. Oh my god, sorry man. I feel like this. Oh, not answering my. Oh, hold on. He's not answering me. There's a reason. What is your? There's a reason for what? I misunderstand. Oh, more suffering. What is your? Or the real number of people get quarantined or what? Or people already dead? What real number you're asking? I'm sorry, I just miss you guys contacting. Yeah, I do not work for the CCP. What are you talking about, man? What's your question? I would like to answer. What I believe, a week ago, I already shared on my last video, quarter million also is some top Chinese activists. That's the numbers they believe, like 250,000, quarter million. Quarantine or that's quarantine. What's the definition of the quarantine? Quarantine at home or quarantine at the hospital? You know what? Basically, it was like everyone get quarantined because even my parents, my friends, my sister in East Turkestan got locked up inside of their room, apartment. If you step out, there's gonna be someone work for the Chinese Communist Party or some governors or come out and stop you. You know? Or even worse, if you forgot or if you finish your mask, they might gonna arrest you. It's like arrest, but they will take you to the quarantine center, forced quarantine, something like that. Yes. I would say 1 week ago. That's my data. Oh man, what kind? Look at this, guys. They're just sitting for them to beat up. And that little kids. That's a woman. What? And look at this, she's naked, such a big humiliation, you know, like, Yes, quarantine for what? Quarantine for people to die, or they want to control the society? I really don't know. That's not the way to help people, right? You just go lock them up inside of the apartment. You really want to help people out, or you want to force the people die? Like that, guys, I love that video from one Uyghur older person. He just said, you want us bite the building? Like, you know. Yeah, this video, I don't know you guys saw it or not. Look at this. I'm starving, he said. He said, my family are starving. What do you want? You want me dead? Die? You want me to kill myself? Like that. I can feel, man, like Okay, there's a healthy, he looks young guy. Hold on, I need to stop this. He's a young guy and he's starving and he might can like to like stronger bodies than those older people, right? If they don't have like food for a couple days, what's gonna happen, man? And if you step out from your apartment for searching the food, and they will force you to take you to somewhere. Oh, this is what about. I want to find that old guy. I think you guys already see. Agree with it. What's up? Do you believe this has to do with you and plan? No, man. Okay, do you believe this has to do with UN Plan 2030? I'm sorry, but what is UN Plan 2030? You know, I'm not that level. I mean, you guys probably expert or some for politician or something like that. I don't know what is UN Plan 2030, guys. Quarantine is in the last murdering. I feel so bad for him. Oh yeah, that's only people like that guys we saw is a leaked video, right? How many people is facing the same situation? Who knows? I don't know. Maybe I'm streaming. My internet is like really slow right now. Oh, I hate this guy. What his name is? Gao. I have a lot of Chinese friends. Oh, Uyghur friend. Like, who has a friend with you? Who is your friend? Like, show me. If anyone is Uyghur is your friend, then that is impossible. Let me tell you, Mr. Gao. You don't have Uyghur friend, okay? Do not say that in public anymore. No, this is Arslan Khudayar. I'm talking about this guy. I hate this guy. Like, so much people, you know, it's like just brainwashed like communist robot, you know. They don't have an idea about right or false or justice or the, you know, evil. This is because they don't have never learn about this, because this justice or the something nice law, all the things, because we have a connection with certain religion, right? Maybe Christian, maybe Buddhism, maybe Islam, or maybe Jewish. You will get teach this is good, this is not good, this is good, this is not good. But if you live in China from under communist countries, that's totally different, guys. You have to just believe what they let you believe. Okay, anything bad for Communist Party is bad, and you have to serve Chinese Communist Party, even your body, even your organs. If any Chinese Communist heads, like their relatives, their parents, you know, if Xi Jinping's mother need new organs, they will definitely, okay, I need to find the people to replace their parents' organs, because all the Chinese, they have to serve Chinese Communist Party with their body, with their organs. That's scary. We need to stand up for people in China, for Uyghurs. Let's finish this Chinese Communist Party. I just clear my understanding is Chinese Communist Party should change their system entirely or should not exist in this world. Let's skip this video. Disgusting. Yeah, that guy is pissing me off. Quarantine is locking up people. Yeah, I have 5 views. Yo, guys, please share. Since I'm talking about some sensitive topic, you know, I want more people. I want to see the people's like reaction about the way I talk, because this is a real I am, who I am. You know, from the video, you know me. I introduce myself and my thought, but this is more real, I believe, and I want people know how many people really agree, like what I feel. I want to know that, or I am the rare people who believe justice, or a lot of people actually believe justice. That's what I want to know. You know, if something wrong happening, we should stand up, say no, right? Not because of we scare someone or scare some country and just follow their idea, even though they're doing something wrong. Is the world should be like that? Or I'm just stupid to talk like this? Please share this, what I'm talking about, my live show. Then I would know how many people like it, and I would know should I keep going or calm down. I have nothing to lose. That's why I'm doing this, because Chinese Communist Party took everything away from me. All my friends, all my relatives, all my cousins, parents. I don't know when I can see them again. Only if China changes the system so every Uyghurs become free, include me, can able to see my parents, or I have to do something to join people to let China fall apart like Chinese Soviet Union. We have to do it. Chinese Communist Party pissing off too many people right now. It's gonna blow up one day. I think it is a time coronavirus is. And how the local government acting for the Xi Jinping, it is something we can see. Chinese Communist Party's time almost gone. Almost there, almost there. Uyghur people in East Turkestan, no matter what, just keep going. Thank you. God bless you, brother Uyghur. E.T. Thanks for your praying, Michael. This is okay. Maybe Allah our present save our brothers, sisters. It's hard to watch suffering like that. Sometimes. Thank you, Michael. You are the first person to ask question in my first live stream. You are special to me, man. And Mo Safran is also the one who's the first come to my channel, and Uyghurs in East Turkestan. Yeah, I have 6 people. And any question, guys? Oh, please share again. I just want to know how many people give a thumbs up for this, live stream. Maybe like my English is not good enough for this or not, but I just talk. I just want to be myself and express what I feel from the daily news I got, Okay. Look at this. Even though maybe in the future I'm able to go back to East Turkestan, inshallah. Able to go back to East Turkestan. And I might not see the same East Turkestan, and this mosque is 600 years old mosque. The Chinese Tiananmen Square, this Tiananmen on the capital, is not even have a longer history than that mosque, their building, their ancient buildings. That's only 200 years from Ming Dynasty. Like not, okay. Maximum is how many? Yes, it's 200 to 300 years old. This Tiananmen Square, and it's from Manchu people. They treat it how they rebuild it, but how they treating our culture, our stuff. Destroying, nothing left. Look at it. 600. How many 600 years old mosques left in this world, guys? And this is one of them, and they just destroyed like this. Chinese Communist Party, you come to this world for the build, for develop the world, or for the destroy the world? What do you want? Let us understand you more. Explain this. Xi Jinping. Oh no, I don't like calling him Xi Jinping. I like to call him Ching Jinping, because Chinese Communist Party never respect any Uyghurs, even their name. I never have any chance called my real name, Shadman Mahmud, from the Chinese people, Chinese Communist Party, because they write my name under their script, and their script not able to pronounce it, so they just change it, like Sha Di Man Ma He Mu Qi, like. So if you call me like that, whatever you want, because you're not able to pronounce my name, so I don't like your name as well, so I'll just call you Ching Ching Ping from now on. Ching Ching Ping, explain to me, are you come here for developed world or destroys the world like this? That's my question. Hi, Guli Maksud. Guli Maksud, welcome. Walaikum assalam. God bless you, brother Uyghurs. Yes, this is. How many people? Seven people watching my live stream first time. It is cool, and I can interacting with you guys very well. And I love this guy. He's one of the real hero who don't scare China. Okay, a lot of leaders in this world, maybe they have something before, they have some business with China before, so now they scared talking about the truth about the China. But he is not that type of guy. He's a real man. This lady, Pakistani leader. I love Pakistan friend. I have a lot of Pakistani friend, but the Imran Khan and that lady talk, I don't like it. You should talk. I know there's politician game between the president or country, but everything should be on at least justice. At least justice. If you try to hide something because of you have some business with Chinese Communist Party, that's not justice. If you not talk for the right, I don't think that's not the country head, president or the leaders should do. That two guys so cute. Alright guys, it's already like 40 minutes. I can't believe this. This is make times goes really fast. I like it, and I don't know what's the feedback from you guys. Good start. Yeah, what do you think? Yeah, please share that more people see, and you have a lot of followers, Guli Maksud, so let's share my video. And I want to see. Oh yes, this video I'm talking about. I like this man. Let's see one more time. Basically, that girl just chasing her and try to report this because this guy probably come out from the quarantine, and then she's just going, oh, there's a guy, I don't know where he just come out, I don't know which building he come out, and this guy's so mad, and even though he don't understand Chinese or he cannot speak Chinese, but he knows that Chinese lady why she's chasing him. That's why he just replied with Uyghurs language, said, what I gonna eat if I'm hungry? Do you want me to bite those buildings, cement buildings? That's really scary, guys. Like in my parents under quarantine as well. I called him, contact him yesterday. She didn't answer. I wish she's fine, they're fine, but I'm starting to really worry about my relatives. So I need to speak up more often. That's why the live show is more easier for me to talk, to express myself as a Uyghur man. As a Uyghur man, which is luckiest Uyghur man. Because I'm the Uyghur less than who has a less than 1% chance to escape from East Turkestan, and we are safe. All the others under serious problem right now. So please just to share this energy and let all the world know this is the emergency, and we will move the topic back, attract the people back to the Uyghurs again to save those people. That's what I want. That's the purpose of why I am doing live stream and what I want to do in the future. And I am the only person, I'm not that strong, but with the others, with you guys, with the more and the more justice believers, we can be a group. The positive energy is always can win those evil things, guys. That's what I believe. So we will do it. Yeah. His response, it is, yeah. It means how pissed off that guy's reaction is. You can see how pissed off he is to the whole society, you know. Yeah, guys, thanks for you guys watching. It's my first time to do live stream. I just wanna talk and then test the equipment I got today. That's the main purpose of today's live stream, and I'm glad to your question, my call, and I'm glad the people in East Turkestan. I'm glad all those Guli Maksud and another guy was here before. Yeah, U5 is my first followers. Hope we're gonna keep fighting or keep talking like that in my future video as well. And I'm not that good on my English, but I'm trying to be real, okay? So thanks for you guys watching, and let me finish with my Uyghurman video again.